So what we need to do now is boil some water in the kettle, and we've done that. We're going to do 2 batches of water, and that just helps to make it quicker when waiting for the water to boil for the pasta. And we're going to add salt to the pan as well, to the pot. So I'm going to add the garlic. So that'll do. seeds, and then I'm going to squeeze over the, so it's going to catch the seeds in my hand and all the juices are going to come through. Now what this does is cut through the cream and the richness of that cream. And we're just going to do a bit of a mix, and we're going to do a bit of a taste test, and that will tell us if we need more or what we need to do. So before I forget, just a quick tip, I ended up using the whole jar of the cream, and then to clean out the jar, I just ran the tap into the jar, put about a quarter of water from the tap, shook it and poured that in as well. And in the end, we used the whole packet of the pasta because we don't think that there'll be enough servings, and we now need to wait for about 10 minutes for that to boil. And while we're waiting for that to boil, we just stir, 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 set the table, and we'll come back. What you want to look for is you want the pasta to be slightly translucent around the edges, and you're going to taste test for a little bit of tension for when you bite to get that al dente. Okay, so we're just going to try, get a bit of the chicken, a bit of the bacon, and a bit of the pasta. Yum.